Hey guys, so today I have my Vietnamese food mukbang. Look at my spooky nails. It's a spider and a spider web. So can you guys see Lori, my cat? That's her face right there. She's just laying there. She literally, the way that she lays. So I got a vermicelli. Is that how you say? I don't even know if you say it like that. Vermicelli bowl. I got it with egg rolls, shrimp, and beef. Oh, it's kind of big. And then it came with this. This gives it flavor. I really like it. And then the hot sauce. Let's open it. I don't know. I feel so much more comfortable recording in my room because it's just so fresh in here. I feel more comfortable. I'm not being watched. So that's why I'm not recording in the car, but thumbnail. So yeah, the beef, the egg rolls, shrimp, and then in the bottom it has rice noodles. And then it has veggies, carrots, cucumber, lettuce. They're kind of crazy though. They just put 2 pieces of shrimp. At least put 3. I'm just gonna add everything. So today I recorded a fall vlog, video vlog. I literally just went shopping. Like, I didn't do anything crazy. I got Starbucks. I was looking for pumpkins. I was looking at all the fall stuff. And I didn't find anything, but it's okay. It was just for fun. Should I take a bite of this? So the vermicelli bowl is probably my favorite thing. One of my favorite things to order at Vietnamese restaurants. The reason why I love it is because it's actually really good. Like, it's really good and it's healthy. I mean, okay, maybe the rice paper isn't, maybe the rice noodles aren't super healthy, but it's like everything else makes up for it. The protein, the veggies. So if you've never tried this, go get one. If you want more flavor, just add the oils that they give you, the hot sauce. You can even add hoisin sauce. So let's try it. I haven't had this in like over a year, honestly. My first bite. It's just really fresh and good. Like, whenever I go to a Vietnamese restaurant, some people don't know what to order. I always recommend this. And they're always like, oh my god, it's so good. It literally happened to me like 3 times. So So I like this also because it's like a kind of healthy. And whenever I'm like on my super strict diet or whatever, and I feel like eating out, I can just get one of these. If it's not this, then I would get poke. A lot of people think like, oh, I can't be eating out, like I can't. Whenever people think of eating out, they think of junk food, but there's healthier options out there. You can even go and get like go to Jack in the Box and get a grilled chicken sandwich or something without mayo or cheese, or like you know, you can make it healthy. You can even go to Popeyes and get the blackened tenders. I personally didn't really like them, but you can try that. It's good. So me and Max and his family are going to Mexico in like one day on Thursday. Today's Tuesday. I'm kind of excited. I will say I don't love traveling. Like, I honestly don't like flying. But it's gonna be fun. We are going to Guadalajara, and I think Max's dad is like an hour or two away from the city, which is cool because I think my family, my dad's side, they're like 2 hours or 3 hours away in Jalisco, in the same state. Maybe 4 hours. I'm not sure. I haven't been in a while. But I do remember going when I was younger. I was a teenager, I think. So my dad's side, they're from Jalisco, but they're literally like, they're from a place called Piwamo. I've been there a few times when I was a little younger. I think the last time I went to Piwamo, exactly there, I think it was like 10 years ago. I was probably like 15, 14 years old. From what I remember, it was cool. I think it was cool. It was just very hot. Every time we went, it was just the mosquitoes. But I think it's always cool to go back to like where your parents are from, you know. So I'm excited for Max to go see his family, you know. And we're gonna be there for 4 days. Yeah, so Pihuamo is literally so close to Colima and close to Michoacan. It's very close to where Max's mom is from too, which is really cool. Like, it was literally like an hour away. And I was like, oh my god, that's so cool. My mom's side of the family, they're also, well, my mom wasn't born in Mexico. She's first generation, I think, Mexican American. So I think some of my tios and tias were born in Mexico, but my mom wasn't. She was born in California. And both of my grandparents from her side, her parents are from Aguascalientes. No one ever talks about Aguascalientes. Why? No, literally no one's from there. I've never met a person who's from there. But I would like to go there one day. Seems really cool. My grandma's always sending me like videos from Aguascalientes, like history and stuff. My grandma had a beach house in Mexico, in Baja California. It's like 20-ish, 30, 25 minutes away. No, probably like 20 minutes away from TJ. It wasn't in Rosarito. I don't think it was in Rosarito. It was like passing Rosarito. I'm not sure, but it was called Playa Blanca. It still exists, but I grew up going there a lot. I think mainly in the summer. We would always go there, and it was so beautiful, and I miss it. But sadly, she doesn't own it anymore. She sold it, which is sad. I used to go there, yeah, when I was younger. Up until I was like 18 or 19, that's when she sold it. But a few years before that, there was a time when my parents were divorcing, so we would go there a lot more than usual. like my mom would take us there. Just like stay away from like, you know, like the divorce process or whatever. It was like an escape for us from like the problems for my dad. But yeah. I really miss it. I always tell Max like we should go and probably rent that place out for like a few days. Actually, I really want to go to Puerto Nuevo. Because from what I remember when I was younger, I loved Puerto Nuevo. Like the food, the lobster. Oh my god. If you've been to Puerto Nuevo, you know what I'm talking about. The tortillas de harina, the rice, the frijoles, the lobster. Oh my god. I miss that. Memories. Lots of memories. I'm getting full. I just noticed. Look at how I'm using the chopsticks. That's so funny. No wonder I was kind of like, it feels weird. I'm using them upside down. They also gave me hoisin sauce, but I don't think it needed hoisin sauce. It would be too sweet for my liking, and actually I'm trying to stay away from a lot of sugar, so but hoisin sauce is really good. So this is my leftover. Probably eat it later. If I don't eat it later, Max is gonna eat it later for sure. Lori. She's so funny. Her little face with her little spots. This was like a very relaxing mukbang. This was my first meal of the day too, so I'm feeling really skinny right now.